Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your WordPress website site private. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. And once you're in the Chrome, you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar. And once you are here, then what you need to do is just simply put in your login credentials there. And once you put your login credentials, it will simply take you to this page. And from here you have to just simply click on the settings option from the left hand side. And once you click on the settings option, here you can see in the settings option you will get the option of hosting features. In the below here you have to just simply click on the hosting features from there. Once you click on the hosting feature, you will get to your website here, and here you will get all the option to make your website private. So for this you have to just simply click on the settings tab in the top navigation bar. Here you can see, just simply click on the settings tab. Once you click on the settings tab, here you will get lots of option inside visibility, coming soon, public and private. You have to just simply click on the private here. And once you click on the private, then you have to just simply click on save icon from here. And once you click on the save icon, it will simply make your site to private. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.